Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Astha. So in today's video, I'll be showing you my full elaborate skincare routine. I just shot this makeup look and I made some videos, some reels, so I got really tired. So I thought, why not to pamper my skin a little bit and to soothe my skin a little bit and take some rest. Because you know, skincare is very soothing and very relaxing. So this is my new upgraded skincare routine because you know I have kind of changed some of my skincare products. Actually, most of the products have been changed, and by this I do not mean to tell you that my old skincare products were bad or my old skincare products didn't work. No, not at all. They were amazing. I just changed them because either they got finished or I just wanted to try something new or to address some other issues. So yeah, all these products are new, but I've been using these products since like 2 or 3 weeks maybe. So yeah, I'll be showing you my full skincare routine. So you can see this is the basket of my skincare products, and most of the products look very green because all are made of green tea, because I love green tea. It is very good for oily skin. So yeah, these are the products. I'll be using these in my skincare routine. So without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I've changed my clothes. I've tied my hairs at the back and I've worn a hairband. Now for removing my makeup, I'm using this Himalaya Gentle Baby Wipes. I'll clean my face nicely with this wipe. So I used to use micellar water before this, but it got finished and then I started using these wipes. These wipes are also very good, very soft and removes your makeup quite nicely. So you can see my face is pretty much clean, especially the mascara and the lipstick, क्योंकि उसके अलावा मैंने कुछ खास makeup किया नहीं था. Moving on to the cleanser. For cleaning my face, I am using this green tea face wash from Good Vibes. So I've taken one full pump of this face wash. I've mixed it with some water and I'm massaging it on my face. I'll massage it on my face until and unless my face is totally clean and my makeup is completely off. I sometimes use this face wash twice when I've done heavy makeup because I don't get satisfied at once. I want my face fully clean before I start with my skincare. नेक्स्ट फॉर एक्सफोलिएटिंग आई एम यूजिंग दिस ग्रीन टी स्क्रब फ्रॉम गुड वाइब्स. इसको मैं अपने फेस पे पहले अच्छे से अप्लाई करूँगी और उसके बाद थोड़े से पानी की हेल्प से इसको अपने फेस पे स्क्रब करूँगी. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी लाइट हैंडेड एट दिस स्टेज बिकॉज स्क्रब कैन बी अ लिटिल हार्श ऑन योर फेस इफ़ यू आर अ सेंसिटिव स्किन टाइप person just like me. Or you can also choose a scrub that has very small granules. That will be more helpful for you. So I am just lip sync a song that was playing in the background right here, just ignore it. So yeah, you can also use this scrub. This is also very good for oily and sensitive skin type person. So I'll just quickly wash my face and come back. Now for mask, I'm using this green tea sheet mask from the Face Shop. So it's been quite a long time since I'm using this sheet mask. It's very good, very hydrating, and it controls the production of oil on your face. It's very good for oily skin type people, sensitive skin type people. It's a complete facial in itself. अगर आपको कुछ करने का मन नहीं हो and you just want to sit and relax, then just apply this sheet mask and sit for 20 minutes. It's very relaxing, very hydrating. Just take care that you are choosing a sheet mask according to your skin concern because it actually does whatever it promises. So yeah, I've applied it. Now I'll just massage little bit with my fingers and then I'll apply the leftover that's there on my fingers on my neck, because I extend whatever I do makeup or skincare to my neck as well. Okay, so 20 minutes हो चुके हैं. Now I'll just gently remove the sheet mask, और जो भी इस sheet mask में भी बचा हुआ है उसको भी मैं अपने हाथ में लेकर के अपने face और neck पे अप्लाई कर लूँगी. Next I'm using a toner. This is Bio Cucumber toner from Biotique. I'll shake it a bit and I'll take it on my palm and I'll apply it on my face. I'll dab it gently. I don't use a cotton pad because now I feel that cotton pad only absorbs most of the product. So it is a pore tightening toner. I don't know how much it tightens my pores because I don't feel any difference in so many days. But yeah, it is very refreshing and very hydrating. Next I'm using the Skin Correct serum from Mama Earth. I'll take it out with the help of the pump and then I'll apply a few drops of it directly on my face and then I'll massage with my fingers gently. So at first I thought it's not at all working on my skin, rather it's giving small bumps to my face, not pimples actually but small bumps. But later I realized that no, it is working, it is gradually working on my skin and it is lightening my pimple marks and it is making my face less oily. So yeah, I continued using it and I just hope it gives me some good result in future. So next time using this apple cider oil free moisturizer from Mamaearth, I'll apply very little of it on my face because sheet mask has given me enough moisturization. So I'll apply it very less and massage it on my face. Next I'm using this illuminating sleeping mask from Mamaearth. I hope you can see the consistency. It is very watery. It is neither cream nor gel. So I'll apply it all over my face and then I'll massage gently with the help of my fingers. You can totally skip this step if you think you don't need it, or if you are doing the skincare routine in the morning, you can rather replace it with the sunscreen. But trust me, it is very good and best among all the Mamaearth products I have used until now. Next I'm using this Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm from Biotique. I'll simply take it out a bit and apply it on my lips. It is a tinted lip balm and very hydrating and moisturizing. And here I am done with my skincare. So yeah guys, that was my full elaborate skincare routine. I follow this skincare routine just once a week because it's a little lengthy and requires a little time and patience. But trust me, it is very good, very relaxing. My skin feels really good after doing this skincare. And you can also see it's working because my acne marks are lightening, my skin feels hydrated, my skin feels glowy and it doesn't feel oily at all. So I think it's working for me, and if you are an oily skin type person, I think it will work for you as well. But I won't suggest anything because everybody's skin is different, everybody's concerns are different. So if you want, you can follow the skincare routine, but I would definitely suggest to do a patch test before trying any new skincare product. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked the video and found it helpful. If you did so, then don't forget to hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see you next time.